Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Viber keeps crashing on your phone, do not worry, this is a common issue and can be fixed easily. First, check your phone storage, go to your settings app, and then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check your phone storage because low storage space can cause apps to crash. Delete unused files or app if needed. Next, close all the background apps that are running and then reopen Viber again. This helps reduce the memory uses. If it still crashes, then you'll have to restart your phone. This clears temporary system errors and refreshes performance. Now head over to your App Store or your Play Store and then go to search for Viber and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version because old versions often cause crashing problems. Next, if the issue still continues, then clear the app's cache from your phone settings. This removes corrupted data. You can also try installing the app completely and logging in again. Now your Viber app should run smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next guide.